In this video, I'll show you how you can buy BitTorrent or BTT on Binance in under 5 minutes. We're going to be using Binance to do this because Binance is one of the most well-known exchanges out there, and by using Binance you can buy instantly. So what you need to do, you need to go to the link which will be in the description below. It will take you to the Binance website and you can then sign up for an account. The sign up process will take you around 30 seconds. And once you're signed up, you'll be on a page which looks something like this. Now, when you've signed up, you want to go to your profile icon, then go to identification, and we have to verify our ID on Binance before we can start to buy and sell crypto. Don't worry though, this doesn't take long at all. It's all automatic, and you can get everything set up here within around 5 to 10 minutes. So you just need to make sure you enter in your personal details and verify your address here. This can be done with a passport, ID, or really any government photo of yourself. So once you've got your account verified here, we can now buy some crypto. So what we want to do is we want to go to the Buy Crypto tab in the top left hand corner. And you can buy crypto with all of these options here. Now, if you want to buy instantly, I would recommend credit and debit card. You can also deposit with your bank account, but that will take around 3 days for the money to be in your account. So for the video, I'm going to show you how you can do it with credit or debit card. So when you go and click on credit or debit card, it will take you to a new page. And that page will look something like this. We can now buy crypto. Now your currency will be your home currency here. And you can buy as much as you want, or within your limit anyway. So what you want to do is you want to go to coin. And here on coins, you'll see some different cryptocurrencies. Now not all of them are going to be listed here. These are just going to be like the main ones. Now BitTorrent coin isn't actually listed here. So what we need to do is we need to buy a coin and then trade it using Binance. Now to show you what I mean here, I'm on the Binance exchange. You can get here by going to trade and then classic. And all you want to do is you want to go to the search engine and just search for BitTorrent, so BTT. And you can see here you can trade BTT for all of these different cryptos. So you've got USDT, you've got Binance USD, Binance Coin, you've got Euro, and all of these different currencies here. So you can buy one of these currencies and then trade it for BitTorrent. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy USDT. So go back to this window and just search for USDT. So you can see you can buy Tether US. And once you've bought Tether US, you can then trade it here for BitTorrent. It's very easy. All of these graphs, they are complicated to look at, but they're completely unnecessary. You don't need to know any graphs. So go and buy USDT, go ahead and enter in your amount here. So you wanted to buy, I don't know, £10 or £15. You will then go ahead and add your credit or debit card. Once you're happy with all of that, you will click buy USDT. It will then tell you how much USDT you're going to get. And you can then approve that. Once you've clicked confirm then, you will then have that USDT in your wallet. Now to go to your wallet, you would go wallet, fiat and spot. And you'll see all of your different balances here, all of the cryptos that you currently hold. So you would see USDT and you would see the amount you've bought. I didn't buy any, so it hasn't updated. So now you've got USDT into your wallet. You will then go back to the Binance trade page and you get here by going to trade and then classic. You would type in BTT and you just choose BTT to USDT. Once you've done that, you then scroll down here. And we don't need to understand any of this, but just go to market and you're buying BTT at market price using USDT. You can see I've got 2.4 USDT in my wallet. You can then choose how much USDT you want to use to buy BitTorrent. So I'm going to just use a slider here. You can use a slider for 100%, half of it or so on. Or alternatively, you can type in the amount in the box here. Then once you've done that, you just simply go buy BitTorrent and you will then see BitTorrent inside of your wallet. So go back to wallet, fiat and spot and you should see it, providing obviously you've clicked buy BTT. So that is how you can buy BTT on Binance. I hope that video did help you out.